Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Wallpaper engine installed, Windows account has admin rights, and Steam if used is updated. Once done, open Wallpaper engine and go straight to settings. You want the General or Startup tab. Make sure to enable any Steam integration if you run via Steam. From there, toggle the option for Start with Windows. This first action ensures the app can register itself with the system. Do it now so the remaining steps can configure persistence and permissions. Once the in-app option is enabled, make sure Windows will actually launch the program. Open Task Scheduler and create a new task that runs at user logon. Choose Run whether user is logged on or not, and check Run with highest privileges so it can access graphic resources. Then set the action to start the Wallpaper engine executable. Use Wallpaper 64. exe on 64-bit systems. Save the task and test by logging out and back in. This ensures Windows-level persistence beyond simple startup folders. Finally, reboot to verify the wallpaper loads automatically. If the wallpaper or engine fails to start reliably, edit the task scheduler trigger and add a 30 to 60-second delay so graphics drivers and Steam have time to initialize. Also verify Windows Defender or third-party antivirus is not blocking the executable, and confirm Steam settings aren't preventing auto-start of non-Steam apps. If problems persist, run Wallpaper engine as administrator temporarily to narrow down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.